Ever wondered how much stuff the world produces and consumes each year? It's a staggering amount. Picture this. In the year 2020 alone, our planet churned out over 300 million tons of plastic. Yes, you heard it right. 300 million tons. And the sad truth is, most of this ends up in our landfills or worse, our oceans. But it's not just about plastic. It's about the mountains of waste generated by our use and throw culture. It's about the strain we're putting on our planet's finite resources. From the minerals we mine to the trees we fell, our consumption patterns are taking a heavy toll on Mother Earth. This cycle of production and consumption is leading to pollution on a massive scale, depleting our resources and pushing our planet to the brink. It's clear that current levels of production and consumption are unsustainable. But what can we do about it? Enter responsible consumption and production, the 12th Sustainable Development Goal of the United Nations. As we navigate through the 21st century, it becomes increasingly clear that our current consumption and production habits are not sustainable. We're using up our planet's resources at an alarming rate, and the waste we generate is causing significant harm to our environment. But there's a brighter path ahead. Responsible consumption and production, also known as Sustainable Development Goal number 12, is a concept that promotes the efficient use of our resources and a drastic reduction in waste. It's about changing the way we produce, consume, and think about our resources to ensure a sustainable future for us all. So how do we achieve this goal? Picture a world where different sectors contribute to sustainable practices. From manufacturing to agriculture, each sector has a role to play. In manufacturing, for instance, adopting a circular economy model can make a huge difference. This means designing products to be durable, reusable, and recyclable, and minimizing waste throughout the product's life cycle. In agriculture, we can shift towards more sustainable farming practices that use fewer resources and produce less waste. This might involve using organic fertilizers, reducing water usage, and farming in a way that enhances the health of the soil. And let's not forget about energy. Switching to renewable energy sources like solar or wind power can significantly reduce our carbon footprint, helping to combat climate change. It's about making changes at every level of our society, from the way we produce our goods to the way we consume them. And it's not just about big businesses and industries. Every single one of us can contribute to this goal, whether it's by recycling, reducing our energy use, or choosing products that are sustainably produced. The path to sustainable consumption and production is challenging, but it's a journey we must embark on for the sake of our planet and future generations. So what have we learned today? We've dived into the vast ocean of global consumption and production, realizing just how colossal it truly is. We've seen the impact it has on our planet, on our resources, and on us as individuals and societies. We've also explored the concept of responsible consumption and production. This isn't just a fancy term, but an achievable goal. It's about consuming and producing in a way that meets our needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet theirs. It's about efficiency, sustainability, and respect for our environment. And how do we get there? By making intentional choices, by questioning where our products come from and where they end up, by supporting businesses that prioritize sustainability, by reducing, reusing, and recycling, by not taking more than we need. Remember, every choice we make as consumers and producers can help shape a more sustainable future. So it's up to each of us to make those choices count.